Hi everyone, this is Faizan and today we will going to discuss about crypto and fiat currency. But before our discussion, I would like to request you all that if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe our channel by pressing the link below. So let's start. In our today's video, we will cover 3 points. First one is definition of crypto and fiat currency. Second one is difference between both medium of exchange, and the third one is history of the medium of exchange. Cryptocurrency exchange. A cryptocurrency is a new form of digital asset based on network that is distributed across a large number of computers. This decentralized structure allows them to exist outside the control of governments and central authorities. Fiat exchange. A fiat money is government-issued currency that is not backed by a physical commodity such as gold or silver, but rather by the government that issued it. If you look at the difference, cryptocurrency is a currency created by decentralized distributed computing backed by blockchain technology. Fiat currency is a currency issued by government. Cryptocurrency is governed by a majority rule. Fiat currency is governed by a central bank. Cryptocurrency transactions only involve two parties, no intermediary required. In fiat currency, an intermediary such as bank or payment provider is needed for a transaction. Cryptocurrency transactions depend on network speed. Transactions take place in a minute. Fiat currency, local and international transaction may take days. In cryptocurrency, no chargeback is possible after a transaction has been made. But in fiat currency, chargeback is possible after a transaction has been made. If you look at the timeline, around 9000 BC onward, an old method of exchange has been introduced called barter system, in which people exchanged services and goods for other services and goods in return. Later on, first medium of exchange has been introduced such as cowrie shells. In 600 BC, the first coinage started. Precious metal coins were used for over 2000 years. In 600 AD, almost 160 years back from Industrial Revolution, banknotes and IOUs has been introduced. In between 1944 to 1971, Bretton Woods Agreement had a huge impact in a global economy because USD pegged to gold and world currencies tied to USD as a reserve. But in 1971, Nixon shocked dawn of fiat currency, where President Nixon announced that money is not pegged to gold but only backed by the faith in government. This initiative empowered central bank to control money supply in a market. In 2008, first cryptocurrency Bitcoin white paper released. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.